And cheers with
Oh
our
my God,
cava.
thank you. You're gonna make me cook after all that today,
Oh,
huh?
yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready for the Romesco sauce?
I'm ready.
The Romesco sauce is the sauce we are going to use for our chickpea salad. The Romesco sauce is done with grilled tomatoes and garlics, and we are going to work with the mortar.
I love doing this, and I'm sure other people love doing this. So.
Oh, yes. We are going to start mashing the almonds and the hazelnuts here. Maybe you can do that.
Sure.
Just put your hands on top to avoid all the
Okay.
nuts to fall out.
And they still fly out because my hands are smaller. See? But that's so fun. What are you eating while I'm doing this? Thanks.
Yes.
Okay.
While you are
Looking
mixing,
good. Yeah.
we are going to add the smoked hot ground red paprika.
Love that
Yeah.
smell. I love that flavor.
We will combine the hot one with the sweet one.
Okay. Smelling good. What would life be without olive oil?
No life.
No. Okay, now we get the sherry vinegar.
The sherry vinegar, 1 spoon of it, more or less.
More or less.
Don't forget about our the pepper. Yeah.
Ah,
It's a bitter flavor, but
kind of fruity almost.
inside this sauce it will balance everything.
Okay. Okay, stop. It's nutty. Is it crushed enough for you? The nuts?
Yes, because then we
'Cause
can
I like
bite
that.
on some pieces. Yeah. Can you feel the smoked hot
I love the smoke.
paprika? Take into account we will mix it with the chickpeas and the cubed tomato and cucumber, which
So
is
that's all refreshing.
Yeah. Now you can press it down.
So you mush them a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Ah, we did it. We did it.
Now you can place the codfish. See, this is the salted and desalted codfish. So this fish has been cooked because of the salt.
Right.
So you
Softens it.
Final touch.
Don't tell me. Olive oil.
Of course. Shall we go upstairs?
When I was in Barcelona before, I felt a good feeling, and then just being with you today, what you've done is just beyond, beyond, beyond.
Oh,
It's
thank
been
you.
so perfect, and we've had this great weather, and to
Oh, it
end it
has been
here
a
in
sunny
this
day, yeah.
wow, beautiful creations that we did. No, I like the crunchy nuts and the soft
Yeah,
fish
because
and
you
the smoky
didn't mash
paprika.
them so till the end, so we have some bites.
Is that how you like it? Is that how you would normally do it? Yeah. Because I really
It's
like
the
that
root
flavor.
way, you see.
I think this is just such a great way to end the day. I want to be here for sunset, but it's not
The
for a
sun
long
is
time.
going down that
It's somewhere
way.
else.
Yeah.
So we just get to enjoy this
We can toast
spectacular
the-
view
we can
on your
toast for the
beautiful
city.
terrace, and you've welcomed me and made me feel so
You
at
are
home.
more than welcome.
Thank you so much. Finishing this remarkable day on this relaxing terrace with these fabulous views over the city, Barcelona does it again. Thanks, Yves, for giving me the food experience of a lifetime.